Want to make easy commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing without spending a single dollar on ads? Imagine turning Instagram's free traffic into daily Amazon affiliate sales without showing your face and without any upfront investments. In this video, I'll show you simple beginner-friendly strategy to promote Amazon affiliate products on Instagram and get clicks that convert into commissions. I will also share secret trick to boost engagement and drive sales fast. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. And this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. And so for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, promoting those affiliate products on Instagram, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, super easy and simple, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here and here you go. Click over here on sign up and next click on create your Amazon account. And as you can see, the sign up process to Amazon affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. After you finish, sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. This will be your dashboard and you should see here commissions, bounties, summary, and so on. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that you will start promoting on Instagram. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go to Amazon. Okay, go and open amazon.com like this and click on the search and search for lose weight. Okay, this is one of the best of profitable product that you guys can start promoting on Instagram, because a lot of people, they have millions of people have this problem and they are searching for how to lose weight. Okay, so search for lose weight, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose a good product. How we can choose good products? Choose a product that's got at least over one or between 1 and 2,000 sales in the past month. Okay, so let me show you, for example, like this one. This one is bestseller. This product is good. This one is for it's also for weight loss, you guys can see here. And this product, people paid for this product multiple times and they paid over 8,000 people paid for this product multiple times, meaning that this one is good. Like, this product is good for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer. So I will choose this one. I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you want to use, that you want to promote as an affiliate marketer, and you will be directly in this Amazon product page. What you will do next, scroll down. You should see here you have videos. Do you see this? Click on videos. Just click on videos and here you go. Do you see? We have videos here, which is really good, like this one. I recently started taking the thermogenic fat burner. So that's a really good. We have a video that we can use to promote this product on Instagram. So what you need to do, you need to download this video to your laptop. Here is what you will do next. You will go to your Chrome extension, okay? And you need to install this extension, Amazon Video Downloader. So you can start downloading those videos from Amazon and you can start using those videos to promote your Amazon affiliate product on Instagram. Okay, so you can just go click over here, go to extension, visit Chrome Web Store and install this one. Okay, after you finish, just click on the extension here and click on download like this. You will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader page like this. And what you will do next, you just need to click on download here, download video. The video will be downloaded into your laptop. Next step, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Search for this website. It's for free and it's easy to use. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page. Just click here on video and click on Instagram Reel. Choose this one. Click on Instagram Reel. And here you go. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and just upload the video that you download from Amazon. This one about weight loss products. Okay, click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video. I already have the video here, and the video will be over here in this page. Click on this 3 point and scroll down. Click on set video as background, and here you go. What you will do next, you will click on text. Just click on text here and click on add sub hidden. Okay, this one, and right here check link in bio. Okay, and put this sentence here, check link in bio. And what you will do next, you will go to element, click here on element, and go over here to ships and choose this one. Okay, let me show you like this. Just click on this one that you want to use and add this ship behind your text like this. It's super easy and simple. Okay, and here you go, check link in bio, because you will put your Amazon affiliate link in your Instagram bio. And after you finish, the video is done. Okay,
I recently started taking the thermogenic fat.
That's really good. Click on share and click on download over here. After you finish, go to Instagram, open Instagram business page. Okay, it's super easy, it's for free. Just open Instagram business page and upload the video and create a business page and upload the video to your Instagram and put. What you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon product page over here to get an affiliate link. Click here on get link. Okay, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link and you need to put this link in your Instagram bio. It's super easy. That's exactly how we can promote Amazon affiliate links or affiliate products on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.